For Chad, it was 2 banana peels and a judgmental chihuahua.
Oh,
It
fuck.
was that time I tried to walk
Damn it, Tyler, I knew you brought that.
in front of a coffee
You know who it is now, no?
So much more chaos to cover. This
Oh,
is
no.
about a dog. Let's call
Was she
him
scared
that
of her
and
too?
that. I'm talking the kind of dog that looks innocent, but as soon as you turn your back, she's destroying everything in sight. Sedona, let's call her Sarah, left him alone for 5
What the fuck? Now, what'd you put in here? What the fuck did you put